Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the CarX Street game on your PC. So guys, this game is recently released on 28 August on 2024. So what you need to do is just open up your any browser and just search for the Steam and just open up the first website of the Steam. Now here guys, just click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top, and if you have an account then just simply log into your account, and if you don't have then just simply create one. Guys, once you created the account, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And here you can simply download the Steam and simply install it into your PC. This is very simple and easy process. So guys, once you download and install the Steam, just open up the Steam and just click on the search box you are seeing on the top. Now here guys, you can simply type the CarX Street and this game will appear on the top just like so. Just click on the CarX Street game. Then guys, start opening up the page where you can simply buy the CarX Street game. Now guys, here you can simply scroll down and you will see it is the $21 game. So you have to just pay this amount to download this game. Just click on the add to cart option. You can also buy the deluxe edition of this game, then click on the view my cart option. And here guys, you can simply click on the continue to payment option. Now here guys, you can simply pay the amount. You can pay through the PayPal or any other card you have. Guys, once you pay the amount, click on the library option you are seeing on the top, and on the left hand side you will find the game which is the CarX Street. Just click on the CarX Street game and just simply click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.